Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about 10 steps to good skin. First, figure out the skin issue, because there are so many different skin issues you could have. It could be normal acne, it could be hormonal acne, it could be dermatitis, it could be so many things. So please go to a dermatologist or to your local beautician and get your skin checked out. Second, get your skin type correct, because sometimes we are wrong about our skin type. And if you know your skin type, you can base your skincare routine on that, because if you have a wrong skincare routine for the wrong skin type, you will break out. Third is clean out your skincare. This is really important because you don't want to use the wrong products on your skin, because after you've figured out your skin issue and your skin type, you might be using the wrong skincare products. 4, a good cleanser and a good cleansing routine. This is just something you all need to do. It doesn't really matter what skin type or skin issue you have. You have to clean your skin. You have to have a good cleansing routine, because cleansing mostly is one of the most important steps in a skincare routine actually. Number 5, a skincare routine for your skin issue or for your skin type. So after you cleansed out all your skincare, you can buy new products that fit your skin. There are 2 products I would in general recommend to anyone. I think anyone can use it, which is a vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. With vitamin C, if you have sensitive skin, you can use it with a moisturizer together, but all in one. These 2 products have actually really good results after you use them. Number 6, eat cleaner and watch out what you put inside of your body. So you don't necessarily have to have a super clean diet, but try to eat less sugar or maybe less dairy products, because sometimes this is also something that could break you out actually. Number 7 is so basic, but it's to drink more water, because just water is like magic. If you drink enough, all of the bad stuff will get out of your body and you feel much better. You feel hydrated, your skin looks better in general, even if you have issues, and it also helps you to clear your skin. Water in general is just really important for your health in general, so drink your water. You can take skin supplements to actually help your skin, but you don't necessarily have to do it. But if you have maybe a bad diet, maybe you should take some vitamins. And I also like to take biotin, and this is also really nice for hair and your nails and not only for your skin. Always change your bed sheets and towels as much as often as you can, because there's so many bacteria on the bed, on the towels, as well as on your fingers. So you have to change it as much as you can basically. And this is actually something that also really helps. I'm not just saying that because, well, it's better. It really does make a difference. And next is be patient and wear your sunscreen. I think I don't really have to explain why you should use sunscreen in general. You just have to use it, there's no question. But you have to be patient, because some issues can't be solved in a week. There are videos out there that say how to get perfect skin in a week, but I don't really believe that. I also took around 7 weeks, I think, until my issues got better. So you have to be patient, unfortunately, but in the end it's gonna be fine. And remember, just because you have acne or something, it doesn't make you less beautiful. But if you want to take this journey to better skin, I hope I could help you, and I hope you feel motivated and better now after you watch this video. And then see you guys in my next one. Bye.